If you're a frequent baker and you're running out of room with all of the cooling racks you have, this right here might be something to consider. This is a collapsible cooling rack sent to me free of charge for this review, and this is going to allow you to save a ton of space while you are using it. The way this is going to work is you're just going to lift up from the center here, and it's all going to unfold just like this. And then there's going to be different heights that you're going to be able to adjust it to with this little arm right here. What you're going to do is whichever height you want, you're going to loosen this little nut right here, and then you're going to slide that into the designated area based on, like I said, what height, and then you're just going to tighten that down. They do provide you with a little wrench also if you want to get it more than finger tight. Then next we do also have a middle height, but this is what the largest height is going to look like. This is going to be really beneficial for your larger baking foods, like maybe some larger cupcakes, pastries, and things like that. When you're done using this, it is recommended to just hand wash it. You don't really want to put it in the dishwasher or anything like that, but you're just going to undo the arms. So this is what your cooling rack looks like fully collapsed. Like I said, it is going to save a ton of space when it is in storage. So overall, this is a pretty nice cooling rack. It is kind of a hassle to get to the right size, but once you have the arms in place, this is going to be really beneficial, especially if you have a lot of things that you're baking and you don't want a ton of cooling racks all over your table and pretty much wasting space. So if you're looking to save space in your cupboards and while you're cooking, this right here is worth looking into.